Look at these gorgeous, gorgeous pans. Can you believe this? Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and a couple months ago, I reviewed this pan. This is the Pix pan from UseLuck. Now, I have almost exclusively used this pan in my kitchen since receiving that pan for free from UseLuck. I didn't get paid for that pan. I just did an honest review, and I love that pan. So last week, when UseLuck contacted me and said they had another set of pans they wanted me to review, I just said yes, and then it arrived. I have barely looked at it because I wanted to review it with you, but this is 22-piece set from UseLuck, ceramic, because I'm trying to get away from Teflon. I'm excited to review this, so let's get started. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. I have not looked at it at all. I only unsealed it so that I could easily get in here. So one thing that I love about the UseLuck is that there is minimal packaging in here. So there's not gonna be a lot of things to throw away. So all together we have our lids, and I believe that we have to put our lids together. We have to assemble them. So some assembly required with this pan set, but that's okay because these are glass lids with silicone rubber doohickeys. What are they? Seals? Silicone seals. This is the spoon rest, also made of silicone. I believe this is for crepes. I feel like I have one of these things. All right. I am so excited about these saucepans, ceramic coated, induction ready. I literally, you guys, I've been trying to get away from Teflon for so long, and I'm just so excited that they gave me the opportunity to review this because these might become my everyday pans. Also, in this box, we have, you know what that is? It's a pan protector. So you put them between your pans whenever you stack them, and then they don't scratch each other. I actually have some of these already with my other cookware, and I can't do without them. It will save the finish on your cookware. Here is another kind of like medium sauce pot, and I like that they have little pour spouts. So both of these have pour spouts on each side. Look at the cute egg. This is my egg pan. I will probably use this every day. I have eggs every day. Two more. You guys, these are wooden handles. I did not realize that. Can you say pots and pans are sexy? I don't know, but I feel like that's a little sexy. I like that. And again, induction on the bottom. I like the fact that they're not that square shape. Now, that's the only thing about the last set of pan that I'm still like, why did they make these square shaped when our burners are round? A little turner, a little ladle. It just keeps going. It just keeps going. There's 22 pieces, but oh my, wow. Look at that one. Wow. There is a crepe pan. It's a crepe. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm like a kid. It's Christmas. It's Christmas here at my house. Okay, regular skillet. I believe this is probably a 10-inch skillet. I'll read the sizes. 11-inch frying pan. So this one's 11 inches. I'm geeking out just a little bit because these are so pretty. They're not heavy duty either. Or maybe they are heavy duty, but they're not heavy. So people with some wrist problems, you will enjoy these. They're not heavy like cast iron. Here's the crepe or the tortilla pan. So that was everything in the box. I think these are the handles. So let's take that handle. Oh, there's a pan in here. What? This is adorable. I can't hardly. This is, I I'm so pleased already. I don't even know how they're gonna work, but I'm pleased with everything. This must be the handles. So let's bust into these handles and see what we got. Oh, these handles, oh my gosh. Do you see that? Look at these beautiful handles. Let's go ahead and put all of these where they need to go. And it was really affordable. I looked up the price on Amazon just a couple days ago, and the price is right here. I don't remember exactly what the price is, so I'm just gonna put it right here. Oh, duh. That's for the lids. Wonder what that's for. Oh, the spoon. Look. First glance at everything is in really great shape. It's really good quality. Craftsmanship is awesome. It's a little bit of a bummer that I have to put it together, but at the same time, they provide everything you need to put it together. So I have my own screwdriver. There's a little bit of a screw on that one, and oh, the screw came on it already. I see. So this one probably does go there, but it had a little silicone cover so it didn't bonk into somebody. So how long did that take me? That took me that long to put it together, and I had to go find my own screwdriver. So that's not very long. All right, let me go ahead and give these a quick wash. Okay, I'm back. They're all washed, and oh my goodness, just take a closer look at these pans. I absolutely love their color. I love the look of them. They look very elegant, dare I say sexy, like I did earlier. The big lid fits all three big pans. The small lid only fits the small saucepan, but the medium lid fits the medium saucepan and the small skillet, which I know when I opened this, I said this is gonna be my egg pan, but look at how cute it is. Can you even, this is the cutest thing ever. Like, oh my goodness. So let me give you the sizes of these things. This one doesn't have one. 8, 11, saute pan, crêpe pan, 1.9 quarts, 2.3 quarts on this one right here. So yeah, some of the things that you want to remember if you get the UseLuck, you can put them in the dishwasher, but you have to turn your dishwasher on low heat and use a really non-abrasive laundry detergent. So because they clean so easy, I haven't put my UseLuck pan, that purple one, in the dishwasher at all. I will probably not put these in the dishwasher because stuff just wipes off. So I'll just, you know, wash it with a little bit of soap and water. The other thing that I thought I would mention, if you watch the other video, remember there was some conflicting information about you can use metal utensils, and then it said do not use. Silicone or nylon is best for these pans. So never put anything abrasive on this as at all. Like no metal on these pans, or else you'll risk hurting the coating on top of it. The other thing that's very important to note is that as with any pans, you should never run a hot pan under cold water. Wait for it to cool completely before you run it under cold water, or else you risk warping the pan. So don't do that. But otherwise, I don't know, I'm really pleased. I'm gonna grab my cookware protectors here and see if I can stack these together. I am a fan of nesting pans, you guys. I will show you a close-up of these pans nesting, but look, y'all, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? This is 4 pans, you guys. All of the pans This is unbelievable. I get so stinking excited about the stupidest things. I can't help it. Look at this. All of the pans will fit together in my cupboard. And they're all in the same spot. Okay, let's make something. I'm gonna leave out my turner and my thing here. I'm gonna put these away for now, and I'm gonna move these off to the side. What are we gonna cook? Let's do our little pan, and we're gonna cook some eggs. Okay, here we go. So as per their instructions, I'm not gonna turn it on until I put some type of oil or butter in. So I'm gonna put in probably about half of a tablespoon of butter, and then we'll turn it on medium. Some of the other things that we want to try in some of these pans, what are some things that stick? We know cheese sticks, which we tried in the other UseLuck pan and nothing stuck to it. It was fantastic. So basically what we're looking for right here is even heat distribution and non-stickedness. Our pan is ready to go because this is induction. It takes much less time. I will drop that egg right in. Not sticking, which of course, with that much butter, what would stick? But I'll do it a second time and put less butter in. Whoa, look at that. That flipped over like a dream. So we're gonna just pour this right off. Whoop. Okay, now with the residual butter that's in there, we're just gonna crack another egg. What else did we cook? We also cooked pasta. We cooked a whole pound of pasta in that Pix pan, and that was fantastic. I do that still. I just don't do a whole pound because it's just me in that other kitchen for right now. All right, look at, completely clean. Now let's try cheese. Cheese, I'm gonna burn that cheese on there. Like our goal is to get something to stick on there. But look, I love crunchy cheese. Oh yeah. Oops, I didn't flip it very well. We're just gonna pour that one on there. Ooh, you know what else I could do? Ha ha ha. I can do a sourdough pancake to see if it will stick. All right, let me go ahead and switch pans. Grab some butter, because remember, we don't wanna heat it with no butter on it. This time I'm going to pour in some of my sourdough starter. Now, if you've never seen Mike from Pro Home Cooks do his sourdough starter, like sourdough discard pancakes, usually he just pours it straight in. He doesn't put anything else in it, just his discard, and then he puts some herbs and stuff over it. I'm not gonna put the herbs and stuff over it. I'm just doing it so that we can see if it sticks. Straight starter. I'm just gonna literally pour it into my pan here and spread it out. That's my discard. I said starter, but it's actually discard. So go ahead and salt it up, pepper. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do some everything bagel. And now we just wait before we need to turn it over. Okay, let's see here. Nope, definitely not sticking. Look at that. Woo, woo, woo. What else can I try to stick? What else sticks? I don't have anything bad to say about this right now. If you're looking for a pan to replace your Teflon pans, you might want to try one of these UseLuck ceramic pans. It's going to be a beast to turn over because I think I went a little overzealous on the amount of batter I put in there. This whole thing will be a good example of how well it heated through. Wow. Okay, let's see if we can flip this quickly. Whoop. I mean, maybe everybody else knows already that ceramic is great for non-stick surfaces, but I had no idea. Okay, that got pretty crispy on that side. So let me just do that other side again. Check it out. I am very pleased. My final review of this is that if you are looking for a good set of pans that will not break the bank, but are still non-stick, but do not give you those nasty chemicals that Teflon, ceramic is it. These guys, really affordable. The set 22 pieces for $150 when they're not on sale. I don't know. If you're looking for a new set of pans, this might be it. They're not paying me to say this. This is an honest review. I feel like I would buy this set for a new couple who is getting ready to get married because it won't break the bank and it's a great starter set. It has the saucepans, it has the skillets, it has the lids, and they all stack together in this one nice, like little tiny apartments. Like, come on. These are gonna come with me to my little kitchen back in California. Performance-wise, looks good. Everything's evenly browned. Like, yeah, I feel like this is a win. I feel like I have nothing else. I have nothing negative to say about this besides that I had to put it together, and that's not a negative. All right, you guys. Well, I guess that's it for me. I love these pans. Again, this is my first time using, second time because the PIX pan was the first. This is my one of my first experiences with ceramic cookware, and so far I've been very pleased. Some of the things that I absolutely loved is the fact that they're round because all burners are round. So congratulations on that. Thank you for doing that because the PIX pan was square. Mind-boggling. Why do a square? Never mind. We won't go there. But I love the roundness. I love that I have a crêpe pan. That is cool. And I love all the sizes, and I love that they stack all together. I'm in love with the color. I'm in love with the wood. This is a great pan for a budget price. So you guys, I think that's it for me. So if you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and go check it out on Amazon or wherever UseLuck is sold. I received 0 for endorsing this. The only thing that I received was this cookware, and I'm the winner here. Because if you don't buy it, it doesn't matter because I got the cookware and I'm gonna use it. So go check it out. Otherwise, you guys, thank you UseLuck for sending me for an honest review, and I really enjoy your pans. So hit me up again if you have another one that you want me to review because I think these are great. All right, you guys, we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.